What would you do if you were given this question? 2x is less than or equal to 3x minus 1, which is less than or equal to 8. X is an element of R. When it comes to compound inequalities, the only difference is that you are given two signs. So your goal here is to just have x by itself, not a 3, not another number, just x by itself and two signs surrounding it. So by doing that, we're going to get rid of this minus 1. So when we're bringing minus 1 to the other side, in this case, we're going to be doing it to both sides. A minus to the other side is going to become a positive. So 2 plus 1 is less than or equal to 3x, which is less than or equal to 8 plus 1. So we're going to be doing that twice. Cancel out this minus 1. So that's 3 is less than or equal to 3x, less than or equal to 9. So then we're going to divide this 3x on both sides to get rid of this 3. So 3 divided by 3 less than or equal to x is less than or equal to 9 over 3. So then 3 over 3 is 1, less than or equal to x is less than or equal to 3. So this is our inequality. What is different from the last video is that there are two signs given. So instead of looking at it from left to right, we are basically going to be looking from the inside outwards. So x, so if you kind of look at it at this side, so you're going to be reading it backwards in this case. So x is greater than or equal to 1, and x is less than or equal to 3. And you're going to be looking from the middle going outwards. X is less than or equal to, and we're going to be including 1, and it's a real number. So filled in circle, because we are including 1, and it's, so x is bigger than or equal to 1, so we're going to be going this way. And x is less than or equal to 3, so we're going to be including 3, and it's less than. So then we're just going to be coloring in the line in between it. That's your answer. For second question, minus 4 is less than or equal to 2x plus 6 less than or equal to 8. And x is an element of R. Same case here, we're going to get rid of this 6 and the 2. So minus 4, now we're going to get rid of this plus 6, so it's going to become a minus 6 when we're moving it over these two signs. Minus 6 is less than or equal to 2x, less than or equal to 8 minus 6. So then minus 4 minus 6 is minus 10, less than or equal to 2x, less than or equal to 2. And then we're going to divide this 2 by both sides. So minus 10 divided by 2 is less than or equal to x, less than or equal to 2 over 2. So minus 10 over 2 is minus 5, less than or equal to x, less than or equal to 1. So then when we draw our number line, then again we're going to be looking from the inside outwards. So x is bigger, greater than or equal to minus 5. So it's a real number, we're going to be including the number 5. And since it's bigger than, we're moving this way. And then x is less than or equal to 1. And we're going to be including 1. And it's less than, so we're going this way. So then we are going to fill in the line in between them and do it very thick. And that's your answer. Let's do another question. 1 is less than or minus 3x. So 1 plus 2, to get rid of this minus 2, is less than or equal to minus 3x, less than or equal to 10 plus 2. So then 3 is less than or equal to minus 3x, less than or equal to 12. We're going to divide this minus 3. Now it's a minus 3, these signs flip. So 3 divided by minus 3, instead of less than, it's going to become bigger than. Bigger than x is, now since we're going to be dividing by a minus, it's going to become bigger than as well. So we're flipping these two signs. 12 divided by minus 3. So then 3 divided by minus 3 is minus 1. So then minus 1 is bigger than or equal to x, bigger than or equal to minus 4. So x is less than or equal to minus 1. So we're going to be including minus 1. And it's going to be less than. It's going to be going this way. And then x is greater than or equal to minus 4. We are including minus 4. And it's going to be greater than. So it's going to go this way. And then we're going to fill in the line in between. Let's try the last question. Minus 3 is less than or equal to 5x minus 7 less than or equal to 12. And then x is an element of R. So we have to get rid of this minus 7 and we're bringing it to the other side. So then minus 3 plus 7 is less than or equal to 5x, and then less than or equal to 12 plus 7. 5 less than or equal to 5x less than or equal to 19. So then we're going to divide this 5. 5 divided by 5 is less than or equal to x less than or equal to 19 over 5. So we're going to leave it as a fraction. So 5 divided by 5 is 1, less than or equal to x less than or equal to 19 over 5, which is just 3.8. So then x is bigger than or equal to 1. So since it's a real number, we're going to be including 1. And x is greater than 1, so we're going to be going this way. But then x is less than 3.8. So 3.8 is around approximately here. So we're just going to fill in a big circle there. And then we're going to draw our line in there. And that is that. Thank you for watching.